Hi, welcome to Dedells Cakes. My name is Margaret. Today I'm going to show you how to make the best sugar cookies. They are easy to make, and the dough, you don't need to put it in the fridge or chill it. However, they come out soft and they are easy to decorate. The full recipe, you can find them on my blog, Dedells.com. Without wasting time, let's begin. Let's cream the butter and sugar together for about 5 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes. Make sure to stop and scrape. Let's add our egg. And vanilla. I'm going to mix it together now to form a dough. Once it forms a dough, it is okay. I can bring it out and begin to kind of knead it. I like this recipe because you don't have to put it in the fridge. You can just roll it out right now and cut it, bake it, simple. So let me wash my hands and tidy up and I'll be back. You have your rolling pin, your cutter. Just make sure to put some flour on the table, on your work table, so that the dough won't stick. Put some flour on the rolling pin and on top of the dough and just roll away. Don't roll it too thin. Doesn't need to be too thin at all. And then just cut. You can use your hand to pick it up, or you can use a spatula. While the cookies are cooling down, we're going to prepare to decorate them. And to decorate them, I'm going to show you how to make my dependable royal icing. You can find the full recipe, tips, and how to use royal icing on my blog, Dedells.com. The royal icing is nice, smooth, silky, and soft, and like I said, it's always dependable. It comes out perfect all the time. I like to use a cup like this. It helps me, it makes things easier. You can just pour it in. Thank you for watching. I hope you loved the video. I enjoy making and sharing my how-to recipes on this channel. So subscribe and turn on your notification so you won't miss any of my how-to recipes on this channel. If you have questions or comments, go over to my blog, Dedells.com, and I'll be happy to help answer them. Until next week, take care of yourself and bye-bye.